The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration predicted an above-normal hurricane season this year. And joining us right now to talk about the potential impact on the insurance market on this is Sean Kevelin. He is the Insurance Information Institute's president and CEO. And Sean, thanks for coming in today.
Thanks for having me.
We've been hearing that this was going to be potentially a very high-impact storm season, that we'd see a lot of them, and this seems to be playing out with what we've seen from Hurricane Beryl. How is the insurance industry preparing for this?
Well, in short, this is what the insurance industry is prepared for. It keeps capital on hand after writing policies to make sure that those promises can get kept. I think what it boils down to in many respects is where the hurricanes will make landfall and what the density is, what the economy's like. Certainly a state like Florida, where you're seeing extreme population growth, you could see a pretty significant economic impact, along with the legal system abuse that you see in that state. The prices increase fairly significantly, Louisiana being another, Texas being another here in the United States. So it has been predicted to be very active. We do say if you live on the Gulf or East Coast, it's going to hit at some point. History has proven that. So we encourage consumers to make themselves prepared in that way.
When you say the legal system in Florida, what are you referring to?
Well, in the state of Florida, you've got over 70% of all homeowners litigation resides in that state, whereas it represents less than 10% of the overall claims. You had an environment, especially over 2 years ago, where it was ripe for litigation abuse, legal system abuse. Some of the things like that they called assignment of benefits down there would allow contractors and lawyers to take over claims and exploit them 10 or 20 times what they should have been. So that puts an impact on the costs of losses. In fact, Ian, which just hit a couple of years ago, was the second costliest in terms of losses in history, with Ida just behind that, hitting Louisiana. So we've got certain states where legal abuse has to be factored into the loss costs. That does increase the cost of overall claims. And then on top of that, what we've seen through COVID and what the industry is really beginning to catch up to is inflation. So replacement costs for those claims related to homeowners, for example, year over 3 years through COVID went up 55%. Inflation's getting in a better place, but certainly it's not going to contract to that level. So that's where you're seeing, in large part, a lot of the homeowners insurance claims across the country increase, is that the industry is catching up with that inflation that was significant through COVID. Getting better now, we're seeing the trends in a better place, but certainly had a big impact on construction materials and things like that, which you have to use when you're replacing things and paying claims.
Are there some insurers who are leaving the state of Florida or other places as a result of this, where you just can't get insurance? Forget about how high it's going to cost.
Well, I think, again, across the country, inflation's playing a role in insurance costs increasing. You've got some states, though, that do have characteristics that make it harder to do business. Florida is getting better, we're actually seeing, after they've passed legal reform a couple of years ago in 2022. Louisiana just passed a significant amount of legal reform as well in that state. So we expect, hopefully, we'll begin to see things get better. The state of California is another one we hear a lot about. That, in large part, is because simply insurers can't catch up to that inflation in that state based on regulatory constraints, based on not being able to model in that state, not being able to price reinsurance into their policies. So that state has its own regulatory challenges that they're working on. But until they do, unfortunately, insurers who want to be doing business in these states, let's be honest, these are growing economies, and that's where insurance thrives. But when you've got constraints like regulatory challenges or legal system abuse, they do have to make some tougher decisions in certain markets.